How do feathers develop? Have you ever wondered how the beautiful feathers of birds come to be? The journey of feather development is quite fascinating and starts beneath the skin. It all begins in the epidermal layer, where tiny outgrowths called feather follicles form. These follicles start as small inward folds of skin that extend down into the deeper layer known as the dermis. Inside each follicle, cells multiply and specialize to create the various parts of a feather. The first step in this process is the formation of a small bump called the papilla. This bump grows vertically from the surface of the skin. Cells at the base of the follicle divide quickly, pushing the developing feather upward. As the feather grows, it is enclosed in a protective tubular sheath. This sheath keeps the feather in shape while it develops. Once the feather matures, this sheath falls away, allowing the feather to unfurl. The structure of the feather is formed through the differentiation of cells into key components. The central shaft is called the rachis, and from it branch smaller structures known as barbs. Even finer branches called barbules extend from the barbs. These barbules interlock to create the feather's flat surface, known as the vane. The base of the feather, called the calamus or quill, anchors it within the follicle. Feathers develop in stages, starting with simple down feathers in embryos and young birds. As they grow, they progress to more specialized feathers like flight feathers. This development is guided by genetic and molecular signals that dictate the shape and pattern of the feather as it grows. Once fully grown, feathers serve many important functions. They enable flight, help regulate temperature, and play a role in communication. Birds maintain their feathers through a process called preening. During preening, birds realign the barbules to keep the vanes smooth and functional. Over time, feathers wear out and are replaced through a natural process known as molting. During molting, old feathers fall out and new ones grow in their place. This cycle is essential for birds to maintain their ability to fly and stay warm. From the perspective of birds, feather development is a vital process. It equips them with the tools they need for survival and interaction with their environment. Each feather starts as a small skin bud and transforms into a complex structure that supports flight, protects the body, and helps birds express themselves.